Welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is National Medical Register, that is NMC. Recently, Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare Shri Jagat Prakash Nadda inaugurated the National Medical Register portal of the National Medical Commission. The portal is for the registration of all the MBBS doctors who are eligible for registration in India. The National Medical Register has been mandated under Section 31 of the NMC Act 2019. The section says that the Ethics and Medical Registration Board of the National Medical Council shall maintain a national register in electronic form. The objective of NMR is to create a huge digital health ecosystem, and creating a digital registry of doctors is an important pillar of this ecosystem. Now let's discuss about National Medical Register, that is NMR. NMR will be a comprehensive and dynamic database for all allopathic registered doctors in India. It will contain the name, address, and all recognized qualifications possessed by a licensed medical practitioner. The uniqueness of the NMR is that it is linked with the Aadhaar ID of the doctors, which ensures the individual's authenticity. The NMR portal offers a variety of features, including the ability to add additional qualifications, track applications, suspend licenses, and issue NMR ID cards and digital doctor certificates. The doctor and medical practitioners can register or submit an application on the portal digitally. The whole process of registration in NMR is a very simple online process. Details like registration and qualification credentials can be manually entered and submitted through the portal. All the medical colleges or institutions, including the institutes of national importance and state medical councils, will be interlinked on the portal. Some data on the portal will be visible to the public, and others will only be visible to the Ethics and Medical Registration Board as per the requirements. Now let's discuss about the recent issue regarding National Medical Register. The Union Government, as per the latest provisions, has mandated that all MBBS doctors who are already registered on the Indian Medical Register must register again on the National Medical Register. To register on the portal, the doctor needs a digital copy of the degree certificate, the registration certificate of the State Medical Council or Medical Council of India. Also, the doctor must also have the Aadhaar number ready to start the process. This new initiative has created confusion among doctors about whether they need to re-register themselves to be able to work in the country. Now is the time for practice question. Recently, the Union Government has launched the National Medical Register. For which purpose? To register all doctors and medical practitioners, to register all hospitals and medical institutions, to register all patients of rare diseases, or to register all pharmaceutical companies. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
डियर व्यूअर्स, अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।